Hi, this is Ramon and I'm going to show you how I change the strings. I'm gonna use these strings, Daddario EJ45LP. It means that it's lightly polished and this is for reducing the noises of the left hand. I'm gonna use these strings and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm going to lose the tuning peg. I'm gonna change the strings. Each one that I lose, I change that string without changing all the strings. Doing it each string. I'm gonna do it. I will show you when I do it. I have taken out the 3 low strings. Now it's time for cleaning the fretboard. Like this. This is a soft cloth with water, and then with this side that is not with water, like this, cleaning the fretboard. Now it's time for opening the strings, these strings. I have opened it already. It comes in a bag. You have to open it, and it comes with the names of the strings. I'm gonna change them, and I will show you. I'm gonna change the string. You can take out the name. These are strings for reducing the noises of the left hand. I want to see how they are. I do here a loop, so at the end it's not very, it does not touch the wood, so it doesn't produce noises. Over here. Now here I pass it once like this, and then like this. Now I'm gonna use this part, tying all this together so that you don't have to cut it. I'm gonna put the fourth string and I will show you. Now for changing the third string, it comes with 2 types of third string. This is darker and this is lighter. I will use the darker. This is the EJ45LP to reduce the noises, and I'm gonna try this one, the darker, to see how it works. I'll put it and I'll show you. I have put the 3 treble strings, and with the part this part, I'm gonna tie it in a loop, so that you don't have to cut it. If you have to change a string, you can use the same string with this side. I have it tied up, and now I'm gonna tune it. I will show you. I'm gonna show you how I tune the strings after I have changed them. I will show you. I'll go to Google and write guitar tuner, enter. I choose this one, online guitar tuner with microphone, this one, turn on the tuner, and I can tune them. That's it. I have shown you how I tune the strings after I have changed them. I hope it helps you, and good luck, and see you next time.